are the tools we'll be using to complete the termination. ICE brand RG6 quad cable, a direct connect universal Compession F connector, a direct connect wire stripper, a direct connect horizontal coax compression tool, and our direct connect toolbox. It is 15 compartments that can be split up into more with additional dividers and bit organizers. This toolbox is extremely unique and functional on the job. Each compartment is clear and lets you easily find exactly what you're looking for. When you're ready to get to work, the compartments pop out and clip to your belt or waistband for handy access to the things that you use the most. First, grab your stripper. This direct connect stripper has an orange piece that spins to match the size of the wire you're stripping. Ours is set to RG6 quad. Clamp the wire and spin a few times front and back to ensure that it's cut through. Remove any excess shielding that would get in the way of a clean termination. Place the connector on the wire. This may take a little bit of effort, as it will be a very snug fit. Finally, use the horizontal compression tool to compress the F connector on the RG6 quad wire. If your connector seems a little loose in the tool, simply turn the adjuster on the side until it's secure. And that's it! You have completed an F connector termination on RG6 quad wire.